I just got a few touch-ups to do on his face. His nostrils are a little bit big. Somebody pointed out to me, and I had to agree. I've taken them down. The thickness of the nose is spot on with what I measured off of a life mask, so I'm not going to change that. I just got a couple things to do underneath the clay to finish it off. I'm just going to work on this a little bit. I've got a couple of people coming over. It's going to take up my day today. This is Monday. I posted a video today that shows my work for almost the 50 years that I've been sculpting, and posted it on Monday. I am missing a ton of photographs of my early work. I've got a lot more that I couldn't put in the video because, quite honestly, the computer I had all those pictures on died on me, and I took my pictures with it, and that's before I realized that you got to back things up. I'm gonna get on my, I think I'm back on that mountain man. I'm not sure yet. I kind of want to get that going, but I also is not as enthused about it right now as I was when I stopped working on it to do this. This is going to be a short week. I have a doctor's appointment on Friday, or not Friday, on Thursday. So I won't be in my studio on Thursday. I'm really happy the way this turned out. All right, I just tilted the clay up a little bit so I could work underneath the ear. I'm going to put some wrinkles in his neck because I think he would have them. I don't want to overdo it. Okay, I've got some holes to fill down here too. I'm going to put some finishing texture underneath here. Using a wire tool with teeth in it. Gotta finish the neck on this side too. Putting some wrinkles in his neck here as well. Alright, I'm going to make a smooth area for my signature. And edition number. Put the copyright. It's good for the rest of my life and 50 years past. And the edition number, which will be 40. Well, that's not going to work. That'll be the size of the edition. They'll put a number up here above that slash for the edition number, like number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 on up to 40. Okay, now it's just a matter of me waiting until the gallery lets me know what to do, and whether I take it to the foundry or I put it up on the shelf. But this clay is done. Alright everybody, I'll see you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.